1974. The old cut the check car. Partner for cut the check racing. Left me with the car. So you had blow up, motor sticking out the hood, all that. So I supercharged it, LS supercharged it. About a 35 on it. So keep up with him, cause you know that money, he had it 20 years. It's still going. This car been around. It's Tony Mack old car. This car been around about. He had it 21 years. I had it 5. This car still got a CD changer in it. I didn't even take it out. I left it in that motherfucker. There she go. Real from Zip Wheel, my partner Zip. Blessed all us with the wheel. Tire King did the stance. Tire King squatted it out. Did the stand. I want to give a shout out to all my homies.